put back on.
Gravedigger.
Got my favorite.
Everybody's favorite.
Nice to go. Nice to go.
This is a funky flag, huh?
It's fun. I'll put it on.
Okay, I'll put it on this
Fun.
one. Boom. There we go. Arturo Loco. Carson is 2, and he loves his Monster Jam. What's in there? What do we have?
I think got today. You got today.
What you got today? What you got today? Blue Crush Station.
Oh, who is that? Is that Gravedigger?
No, it's not Son of Gravedigger.
Oh, okay. It's not Son of Gravedigger.
Go!
Yeah.
Oh, you got today. And the photo.
Prowler.
Flower.
Who is that?
Captain America.
No. That looked like Dragon.
That's your wicked thing. But that's real.
Who is that?
Real.
I think it's Soldier of Fortune. So let's see what else you got. Who's that?
Bully.
Prowler. Yes, sir.
Why you get this one truck? Why you get this one truck?
What was that guy's name?
Lego.
Who's next?
Zombie.
Zombie. Who's next?
It's kind of scary.
Yes.
Scary. It's kind of scary.
Not scary.
Hi, Zombie.
Who's that?
Go.
Dragon. Who's this?
Lego.
Yes, sir.
What got this? Well, you got this one. Well, you got this one.
What's that one? Who's that guy?
Blue Cardigan.
Blue Crush Station.
What got today?
What you got today?
Monster Mutt.
Monster Mutt.
The monster mutt.
Let me see that cute little tongue.
Look at that.
Let me see it.
Which way?
Let's race.
Which way? Monster Mutt. Blue.
What'd you get?
Who is it? Avenger.
Hi.
What about
I'm
this?
Blue Deer Dive. I'm Blue Deer Dive.
I'm blue.
This. How about this?
Oh my goodness, how about
You
this?
gonna open it?
Yeah.
Rip it. Rip it.
Deer.
Rip it. Rip it right here.
Deer.
Rip it.
Deer.
Wow.
Rip it.
Uh-oh. It looks like it could be. Aftershock! Wow! open it?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Here you go.
Say thank you, Santa Claus. Oh man, did he come with a ramp too?
Yeah.
Whoa. No, it's Aftershock.
You're gonna break the axle.
He's gonna
get
break an
broken.
axle.
Yeah.
You're gonna jump.
Jump.
What else did you get?
What else you get? You do.
What?
Break the
What?
Whoa.
Whoa! Gravedigger fell over.
What a Merry Christmas indeed.
They both have rams.
They both have ramps.
They both have rams. They both have rams. They both have rams. They
Merry
both have
Christmas.
rams. They both have rams. They have glass. Rams. They have rams.
No.
Axis.
So how many monster trucks do you have?
Two.
What you got today?
Two.
I'm gonna put them in the container.
The monster container.
The monster tainer. A blue crustacean. What you got today? Gonna get the other one. Is that a dragon? Gravedigger. What's that one? Son of a digger, huh?
Oh my god.
Who else is there?
He don't do it high.
Over the ramp.
Gravedigger.
Gravedigger.
Digger monster trucks.
What? They crashed? What's the matter?
Who's going to race?
Who's gonna win the race?
He jumped way high.
Who is that?
Gravedigger.
Awesome. Who's he racing?
Let's take him off the wheels. He got some new tire. Oh.
Uh-oh.
He lost his wheel. He lost his
Who is that?
turtle.
El Toro Loco. What's
Dad.
his wheel?
Don't worry about that. I'm going to take his wheel.
Don't worry, Dad.
He's going to take his wheel.
So El Toro Loco took El Toro Loco's wheel. I see.
He dumped it. He dumped it.
He dumped it. Are they gonna jump over El Toro Loco now? Boom!